Take a ride in the 2021 Lincoln Nautilus. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. The Lincoln Nautilus crossover provides you with all the functionality you need in a vehicle. Plenty of space, lots of safety and technology options, and a high-end interior feel makes this the perfect vehicle. Feel a rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.